Lab program. Write a program to create a class with the data members A, B, C and member functions to input data, compute the determinant based on the following conditions and print roots. Then these are the conditions. First condition, if determinant is equal to 0, print roots are equal. If determinant greater than 0, print the roots. If determinant less than 0, print roots are imaginary. Yeah, this program is for finding the roots of a quadratic equation. Then what is quadratic equation? Have already learned. See, equation with a degree 2 is called quadratic equation. See here, what is the power of x? 2. So this is a quadratic equation. There will be an equation symbol and power is 2. In this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then here, according to this equation, this is a quadratic equation. Then according to this equation, what is the value of a? Ax square plus bx plus c. Then a is equal to 2, means coefficient of x square is a, that is 2. Then what is the coefficient of x? Minus 3. So b is equal to minus 3. C is equal to 1. Ax square plus bx plus c. That is coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and this constant term is c. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. Then you have already learned the roots of a quadratic equation. What is the formula for finding the roots of a quadratic equation? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is the formula for finding the roots of a quadratic equation. Then what is the determinant? Determinant means here this b square minus 4ac is called a determinant. Here we are representing with the variable d. D is equal to, or determinant is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is called determinant. Then according to this equation, what is the determinant? Value of b is equal to minus 3. So b square is equal to minus 3 into minus 3 minus 4 into a is 2. 4 into 2 into c is 1. 4 into 2 into 1 is equal to 1. Here, according to this equation, value of determinant is equal to 1. Then, how can we find out the roots of this equation? What is the root? Then, here determinant is greater than 0. So, roots will be different. Two roots will be there. Both the roots are different. Then according to the equation, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. That is, first root is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. First root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then second root is minus b minus. Here plus symbol, here minus symbol. Minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is minus b plus or minus. One root is plus, other root is minus b minus. Then already we know b square minus 4ac equal to 4ac is the determinant. Here we are representing using this letter D. See this b square minus, instead of this b square minus 4ac, we can write D. Then how can you change this equation? This equation is equal to minus b plus, instead of b square minus 4ac, D. That is square root of D divided by 2a. This is the first equation. Second root is, first root is minus b plus root of d divided by 2a. Second root r2 is equal to minus b minus root d divided by 2a. This is the second root. Then according to the determinant, roots are here. See, three conditions in this program. They are given three conditions. If determinant is equal to 0, roots are equal. That roots r1 and r2 is equal to minus b divided by 2a. If determinant is equal to 0, roots are equal and both the roots are equal to minus b divided by 2a. If determinant greater than 0, this will be the equation. R1 is equal to minus b plus root of d divided by 2a. R2 is equal to minus b minus root of determinant divided by 2a. Then if determinant less than 0, print roots are imaginary. This is the program. Then what will be the input for this program? The coefficient. See, in this program, what is the class name? Equation. Then here the data members are A, B, C. A, B, C are the coefficient of the quadratic equation. A, B, C are the coefficient of that equation. Then D. D is the determinant. R1 is the first root. R2 is the second root. Then three member functions: get data, compute and display. Three member functions. In this program, what is the input? In get data, what is the input coefficients of that equation? That is, what are the coefficients? A, B and C. Here inputs are A, B and C. Then in compute function, what is the first step? According to the value of determinant, formula is changing. So first we have to find out the determinant. What is the equation for finding out the determinant? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. According to the compute C++, b square means b into b minus 4ac means 4 into a into c. B square minus 4ac we can write like this. That is, D is equal to B star B into B minus 4 into A into C. That is B square minus 4ac. Then first condition. If D is equal to 0. If determinant is equal to 0. In the question they have given, if determinant is equal to 0, roots are equal. What is the equation for that roots? Minus b divided by 2a. See here, D is equal, if D is equal to 0, print roots are equal. Then what is the first root? R1 is equal to minus b divided by 2 star a means 2a. Minus b divided by 2 into a. That is the root. Then second root R2 is equal to the same one. So R2 is equal to R1. If determinant is equal to 0, both the roots are equal and R1, the formula is R1 is equal to minus b divided by 2a. R2 is also equal to R1 because both the roots are equal. Then the second condition, else if D less than 0, that is determinant less than 0, roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary, so we can't print the roots. So we can exit from the program. So exit 0. Roots are imaginary and we can exit from the program. In this program we are using this exit 0. So we need to include the header file #include stdlib.h. stdlib.h. Exit 0 is under the header file stdlib.h. Then the third condition, that is determinant greater than 0. That is the else condition. In else condition, what is the formula? R1 is equal to minus b plus root of determinant. My actual formula is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. B square minus 4ac is the d. So minus b plus root of d, we can write it as SQRT. SQRT function is used to find out the square root of d. Square root of d, SQRT. SQRT of d divided by 2a. That is the first root. Here this SQRT is a mathematical function. That function is under the header file math.h. Here we are using the SQRT function. That's why we are using the header file math.h. Then the second root is equal to minus b minus. Here minus b plus. First root is minus b plus. Second root is minus b minus SQRT of d divided by 2a. After that we can close the compute function. Then in display function we are printing that roots. First root is equal to r1. Second root is equal to r2. In the main function, see we are creating the object of the class equation. Here what is the object? E1 is the object of the class equation. Then first we need to input the coefficient. For that E1 dot get data. After that we are computing the roots. For that E1 dot compute. After that displaying that roots. E1 dot display. After that get function. This is the program for finding out the root of a quadratic equation.